morning, everybody. It is 8:10. I'm on my way to Chris and Kim's. How do you like the do? I gotta get a haircut. I'm getting a haircut this coming week. So anyways, I'm on my way to Chris and Kim's. We're heading up north a little bit. Drive. One of Chris and Kim's permissions. It's a late 17, early 1800s farm permission. They've hit for years, probably 15 years. And I've been blessed for the last, 2 years, 3 years maybe, to be able to get on it with them. And there's some really interesting relics and artifacts and stuff that have been found here. They've found large cents and reals and things of that nature. Not expecting a whole lot. Hopefully we can get on a button or two, a few buttons, and I think we're going to go and explore a different section of the field today. So just happy to finally get out. Right now it's 48 degrees, so I think it's about as warm as it's supposed to get. It's supposed to be overcast and cold, or overcast and rainy, I'm sorry. Chance of rain, so might get a little wet today. So alright, well, I'll see you guys out in the field. First find. Alright, we're out in the field. A couple 100 acres. Trying out this field first. First good find. Button, missing the shank. Not very deep. About an inch down. It's very windy, so hopefully the wind's not so bad. But Chris is here and Kim's here, so alright, let's see what else we can get. Alright. Just in case it's something besides a button. I have a feeling it's just a button. But it was a 2324. And I don't even think it's a button. Maybe it is. I don't know. Something folded up. So, alright. Let's see what else we get. Alright, we're going to do a live dig with Chris. He's getting a 93 on his machine, which he's using a Deus. Let's see how we can jinx him. Looks like a big piece of brass, maybe. Nope. Garbage. Delete it. Alright, down there. It's getting towards the end of the day. This is how my day's going. Wheat cent. Gonna give it a few more minutes and probably head out. But running a colonial field and you're finding wheat cent, it's not very good. So, alright, we're gonna go down and suck up Chris's hot spot, I guess. Good morning, everybody. We just left the Historical Society. It is March 27th. I guess I better turn off the radio. It is March 27th. It is like 33 degrees outside. We're heading to our first house permission of 2022, and probably can't tell around the outside, but we got a little bit of snow. Chris and Kim are they're actually behind me. They're following me. We're got about a 10-minute drive outside of town. House built around late 1800s, maybe 1900. Not super old. There's a decent amount of acreage by the sounds of it. I guess there's some sort of stone structure on the property too, so it's not a house foundation. I know that for a fact because it spans the brook. So she's curious of what we can figure out what that could be, and maybe we'll see what we can get. Alright, well, we'll see you in the field. Like I said, we got about a 10-minute drive, so alright, see you out. Alright, not really finding a whole lot today. Chris and Kim's got a couple of wheats, I think, but I'm right here by my car, and Chris's car, and Kim's car. I just got one of the coolest relics of the day. An old bicycle wheel. That's pretty cool. I'll be honest with you, that's probably the coolest thing I found so far today. I got a couple of organ reeds and nothing really spectacular, but that's pretty cool. Alright, let's see what else I can get.